Because we have one speech, we have a little more time. I'm going to go over an expanded explanation of table topics because we have many and many new people here. So let's find out how to really do this perfectly. And then in order to do that, I'm going to actually read it from the manual. Table Topics Master. Toastmasters program has a tradition. Every member speaks at a meeting. The table topic session is that portion of the meeting which ensures this tradition. The purpose of this period is to have members think on their feet and speak for a minute or so. Prior to the meeting, check with the Toastmaster to find out if the theme of the meeting is scheduled. If so, prepare topics to carry out that theme. Find out who prepared speakers, the evaluator, junior evaluator, Toastmaster are, so you can call on the other members first. Only if time permits, at the end of the table topic session, should you call on program participants and then speakers last. When choosing your specific questions, select ones that will inspire the speakers to expound on them, give their opinions, etc. Don't make the questions too long or too complicated. Phrase them in such a way that the speaker clearly will know what you want them to talk about. Keep your comments short. Your job is to give others a chance to speak, not to give a series of mini-talks yourself. Remember, Table Topics has twofold purpose. First, to give everyone in the room an opportunity to speak, especially those who are not on the program. And second, to get people to learn to think and speak on their feet. When introduced, briefly state the purpose of the topic session. Set the stage for your topics program. Keep your remarks brief but enthusiastic. If the club has a word of the day, encourage speaker to use the word of the day in the response, which is hope. Don't use the second definition. State the question briefly, and then call on a respondent. This serves two purposes. First, it holds everyone's attention. Each one is thinking of a response that she or he should give what they're called on to speak. And second, it adds to the value of the impromptu element by giving everyone an opportunity to improve his or her better listening skills. Call on the speakers at random. Avoid going around the room in order in which people are sitting. Give each participant a different question. Watch your total time. Check the printed agenda for the total time allotted to table topics and adjust the number of questions to end your segment on time. Cascade Speakeasies, it's always 6:15 is when we end. Even if your portion started late, try to end on time to avoid total meeting running over time. So if we have 3 speeches, it may be tough to get table topics in. And it's the Toastmaster's discretion, we may scrap it all together, and then Toastmaster's discretion, we can roll that table topics master over to the next time. What I do is I have more questions than I think I need. Speakers sometimes cancel. At the beginning of the meeting, I see who doesn't have a role, and I put their name by a question because I have a range of difficulty. I will put names by appropriate difficulty. If somebody's new, that's one thing. If it's Roy, he's out of category, and I will try to answer. And if somebody is their very first meeting, have a few table topics go first, and then invite them to see if they want to participate. And what I do is I say, I'm going to give you a really easy one, I promise. And then I'll ask them something like their favorite meal, their favorite vacation, something that they may have done recently that they can talk off the top of their head. You can make up answers or answer another question. I will, in the beginning, I used to take notes for what other people were answering and kind of get some kind of an idea of what I was going to say so it looked like I was trying to answer the question. Now, when you've done table topics several times, don't do that. The idea is to be able to speak impromptu. So challenge yourself not to make up a question or write things down, but just get up there and say it extemporaneously. We're trying to grow here. I mean,